Adrian here, your debonair guide to the most fascinating travel adventures. Today, we're exploring the Alcazaba of Malaga, a fortress so grand it'll make your castles look like cottages. Now, you may be asking yourself, Adrian, what exactly is an Alcazaba? Well, my friends, an Alcazaba is a Moorish fortified palace, and the Alcazaba of Malaga is one of the finest examples of this architectural marvel. Built in the 11th century, this imposing structure has seen its fair share of history, from the glory days of the Hamidid dynasty to the conquest of the Catholic monarchs in the 15th century. But why should you care about this ancient fortress, you ask? Well, my friends, the Alcazaba of Malaga is not just a relic of the past, it's a testament to the enduring spirit of Malaga itself. This city has seen its fair share of ups and downs, but like a fine Spanish wine, it has only grown stronger with age. So let's dive in and explore the wonders of the Alcazaba, shall we? First up, the stunning views. From the top of the fortress, you'll be treated to a panoramic vista of Malaga's bustling port and the sparkling Mediterranean beyond. It's enough to make even the most jaded traveler swoon. Now I know what you're thinking, but Adrian, what about the history? Surely there's more to this place than just pretty views. And you'd be absolutely right. The Alcazaba is a treasure trove of historical artifacts and architectural marvels. From the intricate Moorish tilework to the imposing Roman columns, every inch of this fortress tells a story. The Alcazaba of Malaga isn't just a pretty face, it's a historical heavyweight that could bench press your average castle. Built between 1057 and 1063 by the Berber king Badis, this fortress palace is like the ultimate real estate deal. Strategically located on a hill, it's got views that would make even the most jaded Instagram influencer weep with envy. It's been home to various dynasties, from the Almoravids to the Nasrids, each adding their own flair. Think of it as a project runway of fortresses, where every ruler tried to outdo the last with their architectural prowess. And let's not forget its impressive resume. The Alcazaba has survived sieges and has served as a royal residence. So as you wander through its majestic halls, just remember, you're walking where kings and queens once strutted their stuff, probably arguing over who had the better moat. Speaking of stories, did you know that the Alcazaba was once home to a menagerie of exotic animals? That's right, friends. Lions, tigers, and bears, oh my. Well, probably not bears, but lions definitely had their run of the house, a true testament to the opulence of its Moorish rulers. But the Alcazaba isn't just a relic of the past. It's a living, breathing part of Malaga's present. Today, the fortress is a popular tourist attraction, drawing visitors from all over the world who come to marvel at its beauty and soak up its rich history. And let me tell you, there's nothing quite like watching the sunset over the Alcazaba, a glass of sangria in hand and the sound of flamenco music in the air. So what are you waiting for, my friends? Pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to explore the Alcazaba of Malaga. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting me know what you think of this magnificent fortress. And while you're at it, why not hit that subscribe button? After all, who knows what other historical wonders I have up my sleeve.